Welcome to JH. Today, I'll show you how to resolve the too many failed attempts error that pops up when setting up a new Yahoo email. It's incredibly annoying to get stuck while registering, but I have several straightforward fixes to get you moving again. First, understand that Yahoo typically locks signups after several unsuccessful tries. Don't worry, as this restriction is usually temporary, lasting between 12 and 24 hours. Your first move should be to simply wait and try again later. This cooling off period often resets the system's counter, allowing you to finish your registration. If waiting doesn't work, try clearing your browser's cookies and cache. This removes stored data that might be triggering the error. In Google Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Navigate to More Tools and choose Clear Browsing Data. In the pop-up, select All Time for the time range. Ensure the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files are both checked. Then click Clear Data. This provides a clean slate for your next attempt. Sometimes the issue is specific to the browser you're using. If you're still blocked, try a different application like Firefox or any other browser you prefer. Another effective method is using a private or incognito window. This prevents the browser from using existing data that might cause interference. To open an incognito window in Chrome, just hit Ctrl, Shift, and N on your keyboard at the same time. This opens a fresh session where history and cookies aren't saved, which often helps bypass the registration error. Following these steps should help you overcome these obstacles and set up your Yahoo account without further trouble. I hope these suggestions make the process much easier for you. If you found other ways to fix this, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.